Want to create a Bumble account but don't know how to? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a Bumble account. So first, what you have to do is open Bumble, and then you will see an interface like this. Simply click on continue with Google, and then select one of your emails. After that, choose your location or simply click on not now. Now see, you can allow notifications. Here just going to click not now and fill up your name, date of birth, next, confirm, bang, select your gender. Simply click on next. Now do according to your preferences and your Bumble account will be ready. I'm open to dating women. So you can simply click on skip these buttons as well. Skip, 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 skip. Now here you have to put six of your photos or minimum four so your others can view your profile. After that, simply click on next and your Bumble account will be ready. So it's that easy to create a Bumble account. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.